Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to do a quick little review on this awesome lace runner. They call it a table runner or even a scarf. It goes on top of the table and you can really enhance your table's look and give it character, but this one is specifically called the Simhomsen Burgundy Lace Table Runner. This one measures 16 inches wide by 102 inches long. These table runners come in a variety of sizes and you can even get it custom fit to your table. If you'd like to check out exactly where I got mine from, just check out the link I provide down in the description below. I highly recommend this nice table runner because it has a really nice design, a nice burgundy centerpiece, along with the beautiful stitching and embroidery. The best part is I spent less than $20 on this long table runner, and obviously if you get a smaller length table runner, it's going to cost you a lot less. Here's what the table scarf looks like directly out of the packaging. It came in a bubble mailer, and basically all you have to do is just unfold everything out and lay it across the table. Here's my old table runner. As you can see, it's not enough length to cover this whole table, so I bought this new one to do an upgrade. Okay, now it's time to get up close and personal. I love doing reviews like this because you can actually see more detail in the videos than you can with picture. So I'm going to kind of get real close up to the table runner so you can see the embroidery and the details and the quality you're getting when you purchase one of these. And again, if you want to check out these awesome table runners, I have the link down in the description below. But as you can see here, this centerpiece here that has that burgundy look, it's actually kind of see-through. Just take a look at my hand. So that means whatever surface you put this table runner on, you'll be able to see part of it through the table runner. Now I'm going to do a quick pass from the very beginning of left side to the right side. As you can see, it has a really nice taper. It falls off about 12 inches down. The table was roughly about 70 inches long, so I actually wanted this table runner to have a 12-inch hang, so that's why I needed a total length of 102 inches. Now this particular table runner actually has about a 9-inch hang, so if you want it to fit perfectly tailored to your table, then just try to make sure that you accommodate and add 9 inches to each side of the end of the table length. So if I actually wanted this to fit perfectly, I would need a 96-inch table runner because I have a 78-inch table with a 9-inch overhang on each side. If you glance at the end of the table runner, you can see where by the third triangle that sticks off on the left side, it actually starts to taper on that fourth one, and that's exactly around 9 inches. Table runner overhangs or drop-offs is really your preference. Common lengths are about 8, 10, and 12 inches. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.